Dear friends, today we are going to have interactions about the parliamentary questions. Our system of governments which we have taken into our constitution, that is parliamentary form of government. Our forefathers of the constitution, they decided to choose the parliamentary system of government rather than the presidential form of government. No doubt, the presidential system of government ensures better stability, more stability than the parliamentary system of government. But parliamentary form of government, it ensures more accountability to the parliament from the executive side. That's why they chose parliamentary form of government instead of this presidential form of government. You know very well that our nation is a federal state, quasi-federal state. We have three lists in the subjects, three lists of subjects in our constitution. One is union list, the other one is state list, and third one is concurrent list. Union government is authorized to make legislations on the union list, where states are authorized to legislate on state list. Concurrent list is a common list where union as well as state government can make their legislation. For ensuring the accountability of the executive, there is a system, there is a device. There are many devices in the parliament. First is parliamentary questions. There are other devices also, like calling attention motion, adjournment motion, half an hour discussion, 0 hour discussion. But the most important device which ensures the direct accountability on the floor of the house, that is Lok Sabha, from the government side, from the ministers concerned, that is parliamentary questions. And the parliamentary questions are regulated under Rule 32 to 54, Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha, and direction by the Speaker from Direction 10 to 18. The mandate I have told, the subjects should be related to the union subjects only, for which the central ministers are responsible, and for a particular department also. Because if a question is related to agriculture, that means the Minister of Agriculture will reply. The time of asking, the time I will come later on. First, the grouping of ministries. Under this system, the entire ministries, for example, if there are 60 ministries, all the ministries can be divided into 5 groups, means divided by 5, so there may be 10 to 12, depending upon the size of the ministry. All the ministries can be grouped in 5 categories, and these categories are called group A to E. A means this group is responsible to give answers on Monday. B, that means here that group of ministers are responsible to give answer to the start question on Tuesday, and likewise for E on Friday. Usually the first hour of the parliament, which starts from 1100 hours to 1200 hours, is meant for parliamentary questions. Parliamentary questions are of 4 types: start questions, unstart questions, short notice, private members question. Start questions are only 20 questions in the list, put up 20 questions in the list, where unstart contains 230 number of questions. Start means questions seeking for oral reply of the ministry. Unstart list, written reply of the ministry. Short notice question means oral answer on the floor of the house. Private members bill is also oral answer on the floor of the house. The start question, then a member can ask supplementary also if he is not satisfied with the reply of the government, and the notice given for this seeking these questions in the name of the Secretary General of Lok Sabha. And for short notice, because there is a time limit of 15 days, a member can have to submit his notice 15 days before the day he wants to ask a question on that. 15 days before, if that period has come down from 15 days, then he cannot ask a start question. That's why he will have to go for short notice question. Short notice question can be admitted with the permission of the Honorable Speaker only. And if it is admitted, then the ministers before giving approval, members' convenience is also sought, and if he is agreed to give the answer, then he gives the answer on the floor of the House. This is, my friends, this is all about the parliamentary questions. Okay, thank you.